so to build that kind of website you just saw, first of all, you need a domain name and a hosting. So to get a domain name and a hosting, I recommend you using Azure. So there's a link in the description of this video. And as well, if you're already a used customer, you already have an account with Azure, just go to your dashboard. Add any domain you want to buy next. Add thank you for. So just this word, thank you for. So guys, I always got you guys covered. So any domain you want to buy, if you already use Azure, for my recommendation, any domain you want to buy, just or any host you want to buy again, just put thank you for on your account. Now your account will be split into 40% off. So for life, so your account will be split into 40% off. This is because I have actually gotten to top tier 4 in the affiliate company or affiliate program, top tier 4. So that means I have ability to get 40% off for all my existing and new customers. So if you are an existing customer, just use thank you for on all your next purchase. Now when I get to top tier 5, that will be like 50% off. I'll let you guys know, and then you guys can use it too. Just do this top thank you for add to your next purchases. Now Azure hosting, click on web hosting. And once you click on web hosting, scroll downward, click on cPanel, click on yearly, and then choose this plan. So you click on order now. Now this plan, if you can see, it can contains as much as 15 domains. So that's the plan you're going to choose. So register a domain name. So just pick a domain name. So let's say I don't know. Let's just check. Now when it's available, click on continue. Now I already have my domain name for this tutorial, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. Now this plan you are purchasing, as you can see, it has 128 SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, 15 websites can be used on this cPanel alone. Now the disadvantage of this 15 websites is if one is suspended, everybody is suspended. 15 database as well, 15 email accounts, software colors included, website builder included, anti-DOS and all that included. So just be how do I call it now? Be careful when you use 15 websites on it. Now I already have my own cPanel that I want to use for this tutorial, so I just want to let you guys know. Now I'm going to click on continue. So I'm not going to do any of this. I'm going to click on continue. Now the checkout plan, I'm going to click on checkout. Now if your country does not use USD, just come here, click on like Nigeria, you click on NGN, to convert it to the currency. Now just remember that any currency you use before you register the account, that's the currency you're going to use for life. You cannot change it. So this is 41,248 naira. Now you go to fill your details here. Once you fill your details here, fill in your name, your password and everything. Come down here, you select the payment gateway that is okay for you. You can use direct, you can use PayPal, you can use crypto, Flutterwave, Stripes, any of these payment gateway you can use. And then you make your payment and you check out. It's your cPanel details will be sent to your email, and then you can log into your cPanel details. You can log into your cPanel with your cPanel details. Right, so I'm going to log into my cPanel. I'm going to remove this and log into my cPanel because I already have a domain and a hosting I'm going to use for this tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys what to do next. All right, so I'm going to click on empty cart. Yes. So just follow this process. That's how you buy a domain name and a web hosting. Right, so the next thing is to click on login. Right, so click on login. Alright, so welcome to cPanel. So this is how my cPanel looks, and this is how your cPanel will look. So you'll be given your own cPanel details so you can log into your cPanel. If you can't find it, just check your email. It's going to be sent to your email. Now, this is cPanel. Now, there are 3 things I need on this cPanel. First of all, I need a file manager. So just come here and set your file manager. This one. Then right click and open a new tab. The next thing you need is a database wizard. Database wizard. Open in a new tab. And the third thing, you need your PHP MyAdmin. PHP MyAdmin, right? So that's the third thing you need. Now these 3 things are what you need. Now on file manager, I'm going to go to my file manager. Now for your own, remember I told you that you can add 15 websites to that domain plan, right? So for your own, you're going to click on public_HTML, which is this one. And you're going to click on upload. Now the link to download the file you just saw on the video, the file that actually produced that video is in the description of this video. So do where to download it, right? So next, I'm going to click on select file. right? So which you're going to do. Now my own, I'm using an add-on domain. That means one of those 15 domain, which is this tutorials.com.ng, which I used to teach you guys, right? So let me clear this. So which I used to teach you guys, right? So I'm going to click on upload here. The same thing I said you do on your own. I'm going to click on select file. Now other ways I can just from my system go to download. Yes, my Telegram. So I'm going to go to my Telegram. I have it saved somewhere in here. Yes, all right, so I have it here. So this file you have access to by the link in the description of this video. So I'm going to drag it and put it here, or you're going to select it. So give it some time to actually upload, just like you're seeing. So just allow it upload, and then you can continue the process of building your website. Now while this is uploading, what you can do next is to go to your database. Now create a database. So I'm going to call this delete me. So because I want to delete it after I finish this video, so I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to use the same name. Now the reason I'm using the same name so that I can just use these full details for everything, right? So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to paste it here as the password, so that I just know that it's the same details for everything. So I'm going to click on create user. So once I click on create user, I'm going to remove this. I don't want to save. As you can see, they are both the same thing. Now I'm going to click on all privilege and make changes. All right, so I have this now. So allow the file to upload, and we'll continue in the course of the video. so we have the script actually uploaded. The next thing is to click on go back home. Now once you click on go back home, it will take you back to your cPanel, and then you extract the file, and then you extract it. For yours, you're not going to see this domain name there. You're going to see public_html. So you're going to extract it there. Now this is the file, and this is the SQL. So you download this SQL, you click on it, and then click this download. It will be saved to your computer. As you can see, it's saved to my computer. Now you open this file, you select all, then you move them to the main folder of this website. So you move them to the main folder. So for yours, at the same time, you have public_html. So I'm going to move them. Now once you move them, you have this like this, right? So now remember this other part I asked you to open, the PHP my admin part. All right, so once you get here, look for the one you just created. It was delete me we created. Click on import. You select this choose file, and then that thing you just downloaded, which is the SQL, you click on open, and then you click on import. So once you import it, you have it imported. Then you remember you have your database that you created, so you copy it, copy everything here, go back to this file, click on your core. Inside your core, open your .env file. So this .env file, you click on edit. Now on this edit, you come here, as you can see, big tools SMS. So you come here, look for DB database. You delete everything here, you press it. Now remember, we use the same username, the same database, and the same password, so it would be easy for us. So you see, then you copy your domain name. So my domain name is tutorial.com. So whatever domain name you have, you copy it, and then you paste it here. So I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to click on save. So once I click on save, I'm done. So I'm going to visit my website and see my website active. So let's go. Okay, PHP version 8.2. So that is not an issue. If you see this, just go to your cPanel, search for PHP. Now look for multi PHP manager, open in a new tab. Now this multi PHP manager, if you use it, it gives you access to using different PHP for different websites. So you scroll down. So these are all websites I use for tutorials. So you scroll down, then remember 8.2, so 8.2 EA. So click on apply. So I just select only the one I'm using. So click for apply, and once it applies, you're going to see it here. All right, so once it applies, you go to your website, you reload your website, and you have this, right? All right, so this is what you have. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you need this script, as I said, the link is in the description of the video. Link is in the description of this video. You can always text me. So as you can see, this live chat. So the link to this file is in the description of this video. So go and create your logs and OTP verification website. So I'll see you on my next video. So bye for now, guys.